Hi, my name is Chuck Bryan. I'm with Fuller Ford. I just want to show you some of our current commercial inventory. I'm here with an F-250 4x2 gas. Pretty standard cab. We've got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, cruise control, Bluetooth, has a built-in brake controller, rear view camera, just a really well-equipped work truck. And on the bed, we've got a Redding SL body. Now this is a 8-foot, so we are able to take off. If you wanted a super cab, a crew cab, or any other truck, pickup truck, we can actually take the bed of the truck off and put this body on. Obviously we carry a huge line of service bodies that go on chassis, door wheels, that kind of thing too, but this is pretty common. This is something we'll probably always have in stock. Like I said, this is their SL body. It's also set up with one with a trailer brake controller built in. It's already set up with the hitch to tow. So this one is ready to work. Keep in mind that at Fuller Ford, we do free oil changes as long as you own the truck. So if it's 10, 15, 20 years, it doesn't matter. You'll never have to pay for an oil change. And that's anytime you buy one out of stock, retail, and or order one from the factory. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and we'll keep the inventory posted as we get it in.